Guys, off in the state, several pieces. You've got 6 tanks here. They all got lids. I don't know. They've got a pickup one. That'd be for tractors, I guess. They look good. They're come off the state. 6 of those. Got another wood wheel here. If you'll watch, the mate to it, it's set number 3 is a mate to this wheel here, a wood wheel. They're probably Model A or T, I don't know. Here is 10 lights of different sorts. Here is 3 tractor seats, or what you want to put Allen jumpers and so forth. Here is a steering wheel assembly for an international tractor. Here is a belt pulley for a tractor. Here's a hood, international hood and international front, and they really look good. Here's a brake assembly for international tractor. This is for your front end of your radiator fan. And here's a pulley, 9-inch pulley. Here is 8 Buick hubcaps right here. 8 of those, and here's 4 no-name hubcaps. You're going to get all 12 of those hubcaps. That's all, folks.
Set number 4.